Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Football View. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Here we talk about football all around the world. We talk about the Ghana Premier League, and today we'll be talking about Asante Kotoko game against Dreams FC. Kotoko will travel to face Dreams FC at the Daewoo Park. It's going to be an interesting game, so subscribe if you haven't and click that notification bell. Now let's get into it. Now, Seydou Zebo has named his 20-man squad for this particular game. So before we get into the preview, let me list the 20-man squad Seydou Zebo has picked for this particular game. Let's look at the list. The first person we have here is Danlad Ibrahim. He's back from his national duty with the Black Galaxies. He's here and we might feature in that game. So Danlad Ibrahim, Frederick Asare, Augustine Ajipong, who was very brilliant against Accra Lions in the last game. Then we have Andrew Sepeu, then we have Samuel Appiah, Nicholas Osei-Bonsu, Charles Owusu, Sheriff Mohammed, Richard Boydu, Richmond Lamte, Rashid Noti, Sheriff Mohammed, Enes Osei Opoku, Eric Zeze, Enoch Morrison, George Mfege, Safo Taylor, De Sosa, Stephen Mukwala, and Rocky Dramena. That is the 20-man squad Seydou Zebo has picked for this particular game. Now let's talk about the game itself. I think Kotoko, they are going to struggle in this particular game against Dreams FC. Why? Because I think the pitch at the Dreams FC Park, the Daewoo Park, is horrible. You've seen how Kotoko play good football in very good pitches where the ball can flow freely without bouncing and all that. I think at Daewoo Park, Kotoko will struggle, but Kotoko have gotten good results at the Daewoo Park. Kotoko are unbeaten in their last 5 games in the league against Dreams FC. So I'm expecting them to continue with that form when they travel to Daewoo Park to face Dreams FC. It's going to be a very interesting game to see, considering the fact that Dreams FC are winless in their last 3 games. We'll be looking forward to this game to beat Kotoko, to boost them, to give them that, morale to face the next games. After the winless run, they will need something to push them, something positive, some positive results to encourage them to get results and all that. So they will be thinking that Kotoko is the perfect opportunity to get that win to boost their morale and get good results in their subsequent games. Seydou Zebo and his team should be very careful, because if we make one mistake, they might score one and defend all through to the end of the game. So Seydou Zebo should maintain his starting lineup, the same starting lineup he came up with against Accra Lions. That's if there's no injury, you should maintain the starting lineup in that particular game, because the team played very well. We saw Richard Boydu, after the captain armband was taken away from him, he put out good performance, and we saw that Sheriff Mohammed gave assists, Richard Boydu gave assists. We see how the team gelled together in that particular game against Accra Lions. So I'm expecting Kotoko to put out another good performance against Dreams FC in this particular fixture. I would like to know your thoughts. What do you think will happen? I think Kotoko will beat Dreams FC in that particular game. I'm predicting a 2-1 victory for Asante Kotoko. I'm expecting Kotoko to score 2 goals first, and Dreams FC will come back with the 1 goal to get the consolation. But I think it's going to be a tough game once again, as I said, because of the nature of the pitch. It's going to be a very tough game. The Daewoo Park is terrible. We all know the Daewoo Park is extremely terrible. That is why I think it's going to be a really tough game for Asante Kotoko. So I would like to know your thoughts. What do you think about the game? I would like to know your thoughts. Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think. And if you're watching this up to this moment, thank you very much. Subscribe if you haven't, and click that notification bell. I will give you more updates after the game, and we'll be talking about reviewing the game, and also talk about what we noticed in that particular game. I'll also talk about player ratings from that game. So subscribe if you haven't, and click that notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.